Vitamin D deficiency has quietly become one of the most common health problems in both the USA and Europe, especially during colder months or in areas with limited sunlight. The scary part: most people don't realize their levels are dangerously low until serious symptoms appear. Today, I'll show you the 5 early signs of vitamin D deficiency that your body uses to warn you and how to fix it naturally. Let's begin. Number 1. Constant fatigue and low energy. If you're waking up tired, even after a full night's sleep, low vitamin D might be the reason. Vitamin D helps convert food into energy. When levels drop, your cells work slower, making you feel exhausted. Number 2. Bone pain or muscle weakness. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium. Low levels make your bones weaker and cause muscle soreness, especially in the lower back, hips, and legs. This symptom is extremely common in European countries with long winters. Number 3. Frequent colds and low immunity. Vitamin D activates immune cells. When it's low, your body becomes more vulnerable to infections, colds, flu, sore throat, sinus issues. People in the USA and Northern Europe experience this every winter. Number 4. Mood changes or depression. Vitamin D affects serotonin, the mood-regulating hormone. Low levels can cause sadness, irritability, loss of motivation, seasonal depression. This is one of the strongest vitamin D-related symptoms. Number 5. Hair loss or slow hair growth. Severe vitamin D deficiency disrupts the hair growth cycle. If your hair is thinning more than normal or growing slower than before, a deficiency may be the root cause. Who is at the highest risk? People who live in USA or Europe with cold winters. Stay indoors most of the day. Have darker skin. Are overweight. Use sunscreen regularly. Are older adults. How to fix vitamin D deficiency naturally. Get 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight daily. Eat vitamin D-rich foods: salmon, eggs, mushrooms, fortified milk. Take vitamin D3 supplements if recommended by a doctor. Increase outdoor activities. Maintain healthy body weight. For more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.